Hi everyone, for today's video we're going to have a product review. So I'm Julienne Gutierrez. So first we have the Dove bar soap, and the other one is the Luxe organic papaya gluta whitening gel. So first is the Dove. I'm using Dove for years because I have a sensitive skin, so I'm using the Beauty Bar Moisturizing Cream. So the packaging is like this. So back siya. Then pag in-open natin siya, ito yung makikita natin. So bar soap, and mabango siya. So yun. For the active ingredients, we have sodium lauryl, acetonate, stearic acid, lauric acid, sodium palmate, water, sodium acetonate, sodium stearate, cocamidot propyl betaine, sodium palm, keratin, glycerin, parfum, sodium chloride, zinc oxide, tetrasodium eta, tetrasodium etotate, alpha isomethyl ionine, citronellol, aquamarine, ethyl cinnamon, and limonene. So for the direction, apply on skin and then rinse off. So for the caution, external use only. If skin irritate occurs, discontinue use. So immediately rinse with the water in case of contact with eye. If irritation persists, consult a doctor. So yung effectiveness niya, since yun nga sabi ko nga I have a sensitive skin, Dove helps my skin to moisturize. So hindi na ako masyadong gumagamit ng lotion since Dove na yung gamit ko. So na-moisturize niya na yung skin ko. And ayun, hindi na siya ganun dry yung balat ko pagka Dove yung gamit ko. Unlike other soap na nagda-dry yung skin ko and need ko pang mag-lotion. But pag Dove yung gamit ko, hindi ko na need mag-lotion and na-moisturize na yung skin ko. So the next one is the Luxe organic papaya gluta whitening gel. So after kong gamitin yung Dove, I'm using this to moisturize it for moisturizing. So ito yung gamit ko, yung Luxe organic papaya gluta whitening gel, triple serum boost. So meron siyang cooling effect. Actually nilalagay ko siya sa ref para mas malamig siya. So for the active ingredients, for the active ingredients, we have water, glycerin, niacinamide, glucose, papaya, fruit extract, glutathione, alpha-arbutin, allantoin, betaine, and etc. So for caution, for external use only, avoid contact with eyes. Again, avoid contact with eyes. If product gets into eyes, then swell with water. Conduct a skin test first, stop using, and consult the doctor. So kapag daw kailangan natin siyang i-skin test muna bago natin siya gamitin. So apply a proper amount and eventually massage on the skin until completely absorbed. So ito, maganda rin siya sa skin, nakaka-moisturize din siya, and lightweight lang siya, hindi siya yung mabigat sa feeling kapag ginamit mo siya. And ayun, maganda rin siya pang moisturize. So yun lang po for our video for today. So this is my skincare products, which is the Dove and the Luxe organic papaya gluta whitening gel.
Hi everyone, my name is Cathlyn Gavino, and here is my product review of Joy Dishwashing Liquid. The appearance of Joy Dishwashing Liquid: Joy Complete Clean Concentrated Lemon Dishwashing Liquid. Cut through, grease, and remove bad smell effectively in one wash, leaving your dishes quickly clean and free from food odors. Maintaining the best standard with every wash. The packaging of Joy Dishwashing Liquid is made from clear plastic bottle, and the color of dishwashing liquid is typically in green. The bottle is sturdy and has a flip to lid, which can easily be opened by one hand. How to use? Open the bottle of Joy Dishwashing Liquid. Add up drops of Joy to a wet sponge. Squeeze the sponge to a bubble scrub, and the sponge to your dishes, utensil, etc. Truly clean soap. Caution: keep out of reach of children. If Joy gets in eyes, rinse thoroughly with water. If swallowed, Drink a glass of water to dilute. Do not add bleach. The active ingredients of Joy dishwashing liquid is water, lauryl, myristil alcohol, sodium lauryl sulfate, lauramine sulfate, ethanol alcohol, C1215, ethoxylated fragrance, propylene, glycol, sodium chloride, citric acid, methylisothialinone, colorant. And next, Domex disinfectant. Domex disinfectant multi-surface cleaner cleans 99.99 germs. It helps in keeping your surface clean and disinfected. This multi-surface cleaner is suitable for daily use on different types of surface. Domex Fresh Guard disinfectant cleaner has unique color changing formula from green to blue, which ensure effective removal of germs nearby, keeping your toilet fresh and safe. Next, for low soil surface like floor and large open area, mix 20 ml of product in 5 liters of water. Mop the surface as usual. For heavy soil, high contact surface like kitchen, platforms, doorknob handles, railing, elevator buttons, etc. Apply and dilute for effective germ kill. All surface must remain wet for 1 minute. Wipe and rinse thoroughly. Next, wear protective gloves and glasses while handling. Do not inhale, consume, or contact on body. In case of contact with eyes, rinse thoroughly with water and consult physician. Always spot test on surface before use, keeping out of reach children. Never store in a unlabeled bottle, truly clean, spilled that might occur during the handling of chemical. The active ingredient is efficacy, lauryl alcohol, ethoxylate, citric acid, sodium, and hydroxide.